Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today we're talking about dental braces, one of the most effective treatments for correcting crooked teeth and improving your smile. Many people believe braces are only for cosmetic purposes, but they actually play a very important role in improving oral health, bite alignment, and overall dental function. In this video, you'll learn what dental braces are, how they work, the different types of braces available, their benefits, the treatment process, and the factors that affect their cost. Let's begin by understanding what dental braces are. Dental braces are orthodontic devices used to straighten teeth, correct bite problems, and improve the alignment of the upper and lower jaws. They work by applying gentle, continuous pressure to the teeth over time. This pressure gradually moves the teeth into their proper positions. Since teeth move slowly through the jawbone, orthodontic treatment usually takes anywhere from 1 to 3 years, depending on the complexity of the case. Braces are recommended for people with crooked teeth, crowded teeth, gaps between teeth, overbites, underbites, crossbites, and other alignment issues. These problems can make it difficult to chew food properly, speak clearly, and maintain good oral hygiene. Straightening the teeth not only creates a more attractive smile but also reduces the risk of tooth decay, gum disease, and excessive tooth wear. The most common type of braces is metal braces. These are made from high-quality stainless steel and are known for their strength, durability, and effectiveness. Modern metal braces are much smaller and more comfortable than those used in the past. They are often the most affordable option and are suitable for children, teenagers, and adults. Colored elastic bands can also be added, making them a popular choice among younger patients. The second type is ceramic braces. These function in the same way as metal braces, but the brackets are made from tooth-colored or clear materials. Because they blend with the natural color of the teeth, they are much less noticeable. Ceramic braces are a popular choice for adults who want a more discreet appearance during treatment. However, they are generally more expensive than metal braces and require extra care because the brackets can stain if oral hygiene is poor. Another option is lingual braces. Unlike traditional braces, lingual braces are attached to the back surfaces of the teeth, making them almost completely invisible from the front. This makes them an excellent choice for people who want a hidden orthodontic treatment. However, they are more difficult to place, require specialized orthodontic skills, and usually cost more than conventional braces. Some patients may also experience temporary speech difficulties or tongue irritation during the adjustment period. Clear aligners have become one of the most popular alternatives to traditional braces. These are transparent, removable plastic trays that gradually move the teeth into alignment. Patients receive a series of custom-made aligners, each designed to move the teeth a little further toward their ideal positions. Clear aligners are nearly invisible and can be removed while eating, drinking, brushing, and flossing. This makes them convenient and comfortable. However, they are not suitable for every orthodontic problem, especially severe or highly complex cases. Dental braces offer many important benefits beyond improving appearance. Straight teeth are much easier to clean, reducing the accumulation of plaque and bacteria. Better oral hygiene lowers the risk of cavities, gum disease, and bad breath. Properly aligned teeth also improve chewing efficiency, reduce unnecessary stress on the jaw joints, and can even improve speech in some patients. Many people also experience increased confidence and self-esteem after completing orthodontic treatment because they feel more comfortable smiling. Before braces are placed, the orthodontist performs a thorough examination. This usually includes a dental examination, photographs, X-rays, and digital scans or impressions of the teeth. These records help create a personalized treatment plan based on the patient's individual needs. Once the plan is ready, the braces are carefully attached to the teeth, and a special orthodontic wire is connected through the brackets to begin the tooth movement. Throughout the treatment, patients must visit their orthodontist regularly, usually every 4 to 8 weeks. During these appointments, the orthodontist adjusts the wires, replaces elastic bands if necessary, and monitors the progress of tooth movement. These regular visits are essential for achieving the best possible results within the expected treatment time. Maintaining good oral hygiene during orthodontic treatment is extremely important. Food particles can easily become trapped around brackets and wires, increasing the risk of plaque buildup and tooth decay. Patients should brush carefully after every meal using a soft toothbrush and fluoride toothpaste. Flossing with special orthodontic floss or floss threaders is also recommended. Limiting sugary foods and avoiding hard, sticky, or chewy foods helps prevent damage to the braces and keeps the treatment progressing smoothly. After the teeth have reached their desired positions, the braces are removed. However, the treatment does not end there. Patients must wear retainers to keep the teeth in their new positions while the surrounding bone and tissues stabilize. Without wearing retainers as instructed, the teeth may gradually shift back toward their original positions. Depending on the orthodontist's recommendation, retainers may be removable or fixed behind the teeth. Now let's discuss the cost of dental braces. The price varies depending on several factors, including the type of braces, the complexity of the dental problem, the length of treatment, the orthodontist's experience, and the country or city where the treatment is provided. Metal braces are generally the most affordable option. Ceramic braces usually cost more, while lingual braces and clear aligners are often the most expensive because of their advanced technology and customized treatment planning. During your consultation, your orthodontist will provide a personalized estimate based on your specific needs. In conclusion, dental braces are much more than a cosmetic treatment. They improve oral health, correct bite problems, enhance chewing and speech, and create a healthier, more confident smile. Whether you choose metal braces, ceramic braces, lingual braces, or clear aligners, the right treatment depends on your individual dental condition and your orthodontist's professional recommendation. If you are considering braces, schedule an appointment with a qualified orthodontist to discuss your options and begin your journey toward a healthier smile. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational videos about dental health, anatomy, and medical science. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.